Farley. Welcome to our Student Newscast. I'm Jackson.
And I'm Gianna. Today is May 3rd and we have a lot of exciting news to share with you.
Friends, don't miss out on North Rockland STEM Night happening on May 8th from 5:30 to 7 p.m. at North Rockland High School. Bring your curiosity and enthusiasm.
Sounds like a blast. STEM Night is always the highlight of the year.
Now let's talk about what's happening right here at Farley. Don't forget May 6th, Miss Zakeen, Miss Fenton, Mrs. Henshaw, and Mrs. Guerin's class will embark on an educational adventure to Turtleback Zoo. Remember to bring a bagged lunch and dress in comfortable clothes. It's going to be a fantastic trip filled with learning and fun.
A trip to the zoo, that's going to be wild.
Also, mark your calendars for May 7th and 8th for the New York State Math Assessment Test. Make sure to get a good night's sleep, eat healthy breakfast, everyone, and charge those Chromebooks. You've got this.
Studying hard pays off. Good luck to all the students taking the math assessment.
Attention all students and families. Get ready for an evening of brain-teasing fun at the Brain Show Trivia Night, hosted by the PTA on May 10th. Gather your friends and family teams, and let's see who will be crowned the trivia champions of Farley.
Trivia night sounds like a blast. It's going to be a battle of wits.
And a quick reminder for our ENL students. The NISLET testing will take place from May 13th to May 21st. Make sure to get a good night's sleep and to have a nutritious breakfast to do your best.
Now, let's shine a spotlight on some amazing students.
This week, we're giving a big shout out to our student ambassadors. They've been working hard to capture special moments at Farley. For our upcoming Memorial Day assembly, they've taken photos of classes and staff to honor our veterans and those in active service. Way to go, student ambassadors. Thanks for everything you do.
Keep up the fantastic work. Your photos help us cherish our school memories and pay tribute to those who have served our country.
And that wraps up today's Student Newscast. Thanks, Farley, for tuning in.
We hope you enjoyed staying updated with us. Catch you later.
This is Jackson
and Gianna. Saying bye for now. Until next time, stay curious, stay engaged, and stay inspired.